Hi guys, here I bring you a new video and I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful book type box that you can decorate with the theme you want, and you can also print it on Cricut. It's very easy to do. Inside it has 4 different pieces. You can use it for children's as a coloring book or for adults. Okay, let's get to work. We start by folding all the tabs of the internal box and then we glue them. This is where we are going to place our filling. Now we are going with one of the internal parts. Take a good look on how we are going to fold it. To mark it well, I always use a tool and make sure that it's straight. You can put a chocolate bar in there. This is another of the internal piece. We fold back the tabs where the crayons will go, and then it must be glued on the back. Everything will fit well. We have another piece to place Ferreros and a chocolate bar or some letter. And a last internal piece to place Ferreros and 4 crayons. We must fold this loose piece until we have a C-shaped figure that we are going to glue on the back flush, so that it cannot be seen from the front. Always remember that if you work in Cricut, you must place the lines in a square and attach before cutting. Okay, here is how we fold the book cover. It has its fold lines in the center. The file also includes the tab to be able to place the coloring sheets on the inside of the cover of the box. And now we glue the inner base to the bottom of the box, but first we are going to glue the ribbon underneath so that it cannot be seen later. We must glue the base flush with the fold in the middle of the cover, and it will have some edge on the outside sides. This circle is to be placed on top of the ribbon and cover that detail. I wanted to decorate the box on the outside to put some other layers on it. And then we are going to fill in it. See that I already placed some coloring sheets. These rectangles to print the sheets are also included. This is a wonderful gift for children or for adults, of course if we don't add the coloring sheets. We can give Ferreros, chocolate bars, bookmarks, keychains. We can leave it unfilled and make a memory box with photos. That is, we can place wherever we want there. If you like this template or any other on my channel, you can get them at the link in the description. And if you're interested in seeing this type of spectacular backgrounds and font like the one I use in my box, you can get them at Creative Fabrica and take advantage of their super subscription price, and I will also leave the link in the description. Bye!